What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do double integrals, but before we go and do this one, let's see how we can integrate a multivariable function with single integral. Here we have a multivariable function x and y, and we are going to integrate this one with respect to y. And here, if you remember the partial derivative, here this is also same approach. When we integrate this one with respect to y, we treat x as a constant and then do the integration. And if you remember, to illustrate this one better, I'm going to separate this one into two parts, but we don't have to do that. To illustrate this one better, we are going to separate this one like integration 2x dy plus integration y square dy. Okay, and this is a constant, and if you remember, when you have a number and if you integrate that one, the number doesn't change. We only add the integration parts, right? So here it's the same thing. We just treat this one as a constant, and if you do the integration, this is going to be just 2xy. Okay, and after that this is going to become integration of y square divided, this is integration of y square dy. This is normal integral. This is going to be just y cube divided by 3. Okay, so this is going to be the integration of this one, and also we have to put a constant, but when we do the integration with respect to y, we have to put a constant with the function of x. Okay, so this is going to be the integration of this one. Now let's see what happens if we integrate with respect to x. When we do the integration with respect to x, we treat y as a constant and integrate only the x parts. And here if you do that for this one, this is going to become 2x square divided by 2. That's going to be just x square. And this one is a constant, so we are going to add y square x, and that's going to be the integral. Now also we have to add a function. Since we are integrating with this one with respect to x, we are going to have a c that's a function of y. Okay, now this is how we do the integration when we have multivariable function. Now let's do this double integral. Here we have a double integral with multivariable function. First we are going to integrate with this one with respect to y. So we have to do the integration of inside part first, right? And this is our limits of integration, and we are going to integrate. Now we treat x as a constant. Now if you do the integration, this is going to become x y square divided by 2, and then here we are going to have x square y power 4 divided by 4, and that's going from 0 to 2. Now let's plug 0, and this one remains the outer part. This is 1 to 3. Let's keep this one outside, and this is dx. And let's simplify. Let's plug the values. If you plug 2 for the y value, now we have to put, it's better to write y is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Otherwise we will mix things up, right? Sometime you may plug this one for x, and that's going to make everything different. So it's better to write y is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. In that way we remember that we are going to plug this one for only y. And let's go ahead and plug this one. This is going to become x times 2 square, that's going to be 4, divided by 2, plus x square y power 4. Y power 4 is going to be 2 power 4, that's going to be 16, divided by 4, and minus 0. If you plug 0, both of them are going to be 0, so that's going to be just 0, so we don't have to do that part, dx. Now we can simplify this one. This is going to be just 2, and this is going to be just 4. Okay, now let's do the integration. So integration 1 to 3, this is going to become 2x plus 4x square dx. Now if you do the integration, this is going to become 2x square divided by 2, that's going to be just x square, and here we are going to have 4x cubed divided by 3, 4x cubed divided by 3. Now that's going from 1 to 3. Now let's plug the values. 3 square plus 4 times 3 cube divided by 3 minus 1 square, that's going to be 1, plus 4 times 1 square 1 cube, that's going to be just 4 divided by 3, Now let's simplify. This is going to be 9 and one of the 3 cancels, so we are going to have 3 square. 4 times 9, that's going to be 36, and here we have minus 1 plus 4 over, and this is going to be, when we take the bracket out, this is also going to be minus 4 over 3. Now 36 plus 9 is going to be 43. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 minus 1, 44. 44 minus 4 over 3. Now if you take the 3 common denominator, this is going to be multiplied by 3. 44 multiplied by 3 is going to be 88 plus 4, 92. 92 plus 30, 92 plus 40, that's going to be 132. So 132 minus 4 divided by 3, that's going to give us 132 minus 4, that's going to be 128. 128 divided by 3. So this is going to be the final answer. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.